Hey you guys, so I'm here in IKEA. It is located beside MOA Arena. So the opening is today. I was supposed to be batch 1. I made it to the location, but people, like the guards, were telling me to go different places. So now I'm all alone. All my friends went ahead of me, but we will survive. My slot is at 2. So yeah, here, by the way. Oops, oh no, it's coming off. Ta-da! I'm super excited because I have been shopping in IKEA since I was little. Like in the States, I used to buy furniture there all the time. Can't wait to show you guys what is inside. There's a gaming section, there's even like pool tables and stuff and lights. Guys, so there's a quiz. I got 2 out of 3 answers right for the first round, but I didn't get to click for the third question. I'm like deflated, but I'm super going to try to win the other questions because my competitive spirit super kicked in. Sofas! You can sit? You can sit. I'm gonna. Okay, I'll stay here first because I'm studying IKEA facts so that I get the questions right. I'm gonna hide. People are including me in their videos and I'm super shy. So, here you go. You have so many choices here in IKEA. There you go. So if you're looking for a place to go Christmas shopping, you know where to go. So I'm actually eyeing what I'm going to shop because I'm coming back tomorrow to shop. I'm ready. So if you're like me and you need a ton of storage, you guys, IKEA has so many options. It's super cool because they have like perfect styles for any kind of room. And that's the best part about this store. So IKEA literally caters to everyone.
So IKEA for Business is the B2B arm of IKEA Retail. So as you enter, we also are inspiring you by creating room settings that with businesses that are relevant here in the country. So over here is like a nail spot.
Oh! Okay guys, so I've already lost 3 answers. I don't think I'm gonna win the prize, but I'm still gonna try and join it anyway. So good luck to me and my competitiveness because I am genuinely sad that I've been missing out on the IKEA points. Okay guys, so they have a planning studio. So this is what this place is, and what they do is you can actually come here and they'll help you pretty much plan out your kitchen, your closet, your room, name it. Like they'll help you out. That is so cool. So guys, if you remember 500 Days of Summer,
Exactly.
here you can recreate it here. Look at all these rooms, look at all the beds. There's so many options. Are unsure, you can try everything out, and there's a 10-year guarantee when you buy at IKEA. Ooh. If you have babies, you know where to go. How cute. I would live in this. Lego. Oh my god. Oh. My god, you guys, they have like a Lego range. I'm not a child, but I will buy this for sure. Oh no. Good luck to me. Whoa. Whoa. Guys, everything here is below $100. So this is the market area, so they call it the Boodle area. So the walls are color coded. Blue and pink is for something more inspirational. The red walls are for like super low priced items, and yeah, like I mentioned, the green is so that you know that it's sustainably made. Guys, if you know IKEA, you know the bag. It's available and it's friggin' $40. Look. Ta-da! After so long, I got something right. But I think I only got 4 questions right. So 4 out of 12. How sad. Calling all plantitas and plantitos, they actually sell real plants here. Here. Guys, the price is a coffee table and I didn't win it. Note to self, next time you come to an event, you have to do a background study. Meatballs! It's actually very area. I'm going to grab food. Of course, I'm going to have the meatballs, and then I don't know if I want spaghetti, but I think you can get half. So let's see. Thank you. Ooh. I don't know if I can finish it, but I will try. Thank you. Okay, I'm going to, so we got a salmon croissant, spaghetti and meatballs, and then I'm gonna get a hot dog. So here we go. And just like that, I have my food. I am now going to have my snack. And that concludes the tour. We are going to go sit somewhere. Another day, another trip to IKEA with my mom. We're entering this other way, or some way. Oh, there's a guard with the sign, so hopefully he knows where we can enter. And in true SM fashion, you can hear the Christmas music already. Am I nervous? Yes. Why? Because that means money will be spent. because it is Christmas. Honestly, I don't even know where to go still. Let me keep asking questions. Found the way. Wait. Okay, you guys, so I didn't get to go inside IKEA. So instead, my family and I are going to have lunch. So for now, I will be back. So I just hope you enjoyed the little vlog about my visit yesterday. So yeah, while you're still here, don't forget to like, to comment, to subscribe, and to turn on your notifications for my channel. So until the next vlog, peace.